So I have recently moved into a little apartment here in Jericó because I really like this area and it's a good base because I can explore a lot of Antioquia. But honestly, I feel like I traveled so fast back, like when I first got to Colombia, that I'm like totally fine slowing down a little bit, especially if I'm looking for somewhere to live long term. It is always good to like live in the area that you want to live in to see if you're gonna like living here as like to buy somewhere. So I've decided to have a little place here in Jericó for a short time. I'm applying for a longer term visa, so it's all dependent on the type of visa I can get. I have a little cold lately because I've been so busy like moving and everything has been a bit. And then where I'm living, it's on top of the mountain, so it's cooler. So Jericó is a cooler climate anyways. And I'll show you outside, but so it's a 2-bedroom apartment, and upstairs is like a couple lives there, and then there's another studio apartment for rent right next door. But for now, yeah, no one else is living there, just the people upstairs and me. So yeah, I chose Jericó because I have friends in the area, so it's always nice to know people when you are living abroad and you don't really know a lot of people. The only other friend I have really is in Medellin, which I don't want to live there, so I'm not gonna stay there, so I'm not gonna live. So anyways, let me show you my 2-bedroom apartment that I'm renting. It's 1.2 million pesos per month, which is approximately $300. And I do have included electricity and water, but I do have to pay for internet. So that's like 130, which I can remember. I'll put it down below how much it will. So that would be the whole total of what it is to live here in this part outside of the city. So yeah, here's where I'm living. So as you can tell, it's in the mountains. There's really no one around. The only people who live there are the owners of the house, and then there's another house on the property that they also own, which has another, like an older couple. An older couple is living there, and they're very nice. And then me. So yeah. And today they cut down an eucalyptus tree, so I stole a bunch of the eucalyptus. So yeah, so that is. I just wanted to show you my little new apartment for a little temporary time, and the lighting is horrible because it's gonna rain. And yeah, I'm gonna go for a walk. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.